Rohingya is mentioned. Only time they mention who is paying for their food, who is paying for their education of the kids, that's about it.
Thank you for that detail, which is very inspiring. I want to jump to a vision of something much more difficult, which is the Rohingya. Hundreds of thousands of them in the camps. What is going to happen?
Well, that's the question I raised as we came to the responsibility. Rohingya is mentioned. Only time they mention who is paying for their food, who is paying for their education of the kids, that's about it. I said, then what? No question. Nobody's answering that question. There are international organizations helping this. I said, the question must be answered when they're going to go back. What is their future? That question was never discussed. I said, I want to discuss that. I want to raise that. So we were in the United Nations General Assembly. I had a special meeting. All the donor countries were helping the Rohingya issue. And raised this issue. Do you have a map, road map, when they want to go back? Oh, no, we have not done that. I said, please do that. Because unless, even if it's a 10 years, 20 years now, have a date. And we know 1 year less now, another year gone, and we go there.